Guys, the tool that I'm gonna show you today is going to change the way you look at making money on the internet. And after watching this video, you'll be ready to use this method and start earning money from day one. Of course, you will not need to pay anything up front for this method, and I can assure you that you can start with this method with literally $0. In this video, I will teach you how to go from $0 to $1,000 as a complete beginner that has no skills in any specific field. However, make sure that you guys follow each and every step of this video to ensure that you're using the method correctly, because if you just go ahead and skip to the end, you might miss some really small but important steps and you might not make any money whatsoever and just end up wasting your time. So make sure to pay attention to each and every second in this video so you can start generating a passive income. And like most of the videos that I upload on this channel, this is 100% free and you guys will not be needing any credit cards or online banking account to start making money online with this method. And this also works worldwide, so no matter where you're watching from right now, you'll be able to use this method to generate a passive income and online income. So make sure to like this video, subscribe, and also join the notification squad by hitting that notification bell. Now without further ado guys, let us just go into it. Now the website that I will be using today is called Buffer.com. This tool is something that social media marketing managers can rely on to do the work for them. This platform is here to help people, businesses, and also social media managers to grow their social media profiles. Now keep in mind that we will not be needing any social media accounts whatsoever. We will not need any social media account. And more importantly, you will not need to pay anything up front. What's good about this tool is that it helps you grow social media accounts organically. That means it gets you followers, but they are real people that can follow your social media profiles with real engagements and comments, which is a very attractive thing to people that want to grow their social media platforms. People who use this application can start campaigns in order to properly and organically expand their social media accounts. They can track their progress, generate more detailed data, and gain insight into how to increase followers, engagements, sales, and so much more. This tool is very good for businesses, especially because more engagements means more customers for them, which means more sales, and that means more money. And here we can see some customers sharing their views. For example, this guy right here says that Buffer has made sharing their stories and building their brand on social media so much easier. And as we can see, here are the things that this tool can help you do. Visually plan and schedule your social media campaigns, coordinate creative campaigns to drive engagements on social media, measure and report on the performance of your content, get in-depth insight, or to grow reach, engagement, and sales. Build relationships with audience, engage with the most important comments faster, and gain customers' trust. And I'm just gonna read this right here. We are more than a scheduling tool. Explore our features and beat the algorithm. That's what they say. Here are some of their features: Story Planner, Shop Grid, First Comment, Hashtag Planner, Instagram Tag and Stories and Posts, Analytics, Customer Boards, Answers, and so much more. So how will this generate money without you having to do any hard work whatsoever? It has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, selling your products, growing your brand, or anything else. You can simply come over to this website, follow the steps that I'm gonna show you in today's video, and as a beginner, you will still be able to make a decent amount of money every single day. And I'm gonna show you proof that this works. Of course, you can simply go to Buffer.com and learn more about all the benefits it can provide for you, as well as all the features that this website has. But in essence, it will help you manage your social media accounts and expand faster and faster naturally. So for step 1, you must visit Buffer.com. To begin, click right here. Now this button will take you here over to their pricing plan. And of course, you don't have to pay any money whatsoever at the beginning or invest any of your own money. You can literally start with $0. You can do this even if you have no money in your accounts right now, and even if you don't have an account. And let me explain how. So even if you use their cheapest plan, which is only $15 per month, that's a professional plan that will allow you to grow 8 different social media channels, which is a really good deal. And I'm gonna show you why you don't need any money to start with this and why you will not be spending any of your own money. Just click Start a 14-day trial, and you don't have to give them any of your own information. So that means if you don't have a credit card, that is okay. And as you can see here, signing up takes less than 60 seconds. So you can have all the comparisons for your social media platforms right here. Build new campaigns, both monitor campaign performance, just like all the features that we've talked about earlier. It's quite basic and straightforward to use, and they offer tons of tutorials that will show you exactly how to use this tool to the best of its capacity. Buffer actually provides all social media management for you. It will take care of all your social media accounts and it will grow them organically. So how can you use this technique to earn like $300 to $500 every single day? So here's what you should do. You can use this on various freelancing websites such as Freelancer, Upwork, peopleperhour.com, and so much more. Just for the fact that I have a lot of experience on Fiverr and I generate a lot of money every single month, I will use this platform to show you guys how you can actually start making money with this method. But before we get to that, I would like to remind you that we have more videos on this channel about how to make money online. So if you find that this video is not really helpful for you, you can watch my other videos and hopefully find something that works for you. The goal of this channel is actually to teach you how to generate a passive income and to reach financial freedom. I actually put a lot of effort in making these videos to ensure that each one of these videos actually has something useful for you. So I would really appreciate it if you guys just subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also leave a like and a comment down below. The channel has been growing lately, and that's all thanks to you guys. Now guys, without further ado, let us get back to the video. You can see on Fiverr.com these types of services. You can see that social media managers are selling for $195 for just one account. So imagine only one order can actually cover the pro license for 1 month. And this person, as you can see, has over 200 orders completed and 22 orders in queue right now. And now that's a lot of money, as you can see. This person is making around $5,000 and even more from just Fiverr. So imagine if he has other accounts on other platforms like Freelancer, peopleperhour.com, and other similar websites. That means he can double or even triple his income. And believe me, there is no way that one single person can manage 22 accounts at the same time. Do you guys really think that this person can actually manage 22 social media profiles at the same time? And do you actually think that the job is done manually by this one person? Well, let me tell you, the simple answer is no. Now, as I showed you, with Buffer.com, you can actually manage 8 accounts and get everything done for you without even lifting a finger. Which means if you sell it for the same price for 8 customers, you can make more than $1,000. And if you get more customers, you can buy a better license on Buffer.com to actually manage more accounts and eventually make more money. This person on my screen could literally be you. You just have to try, and I really hope you do. And if you ever decide to start with this, do not give up, because this actually works, and of course it will take some time first to kick up, but once it does, it will keep growing. This is a very good money making method, and it literally requires nothing. You don't have to be an expert or anything. Just try it, and I promise that you can change your life just because of this one thing. I just have to remind you that this is about the mindset. So if you start thinking it will not work, it will definitely not. So stay positive and do not give up in 1 week, and also give it all you got. So this is my recommendation for you guys. You can make your service public on Fiverr or Upwork and even other freelancing websites. That is so you can actually reach more people. If you have the time to watch this video, that means you have the time to set up a service on one of the freelancing websites. So go ahead and do so right now. If you're happy with working 8 hours a day every day for a low salary, that is a very bad mindset. This method can actually make you thousands of dollars every single month, if not more, without actually doing much of the work yourself. You just have to manage things and talk to your clients. And I know that in so many countries, even $1,000 is a lot per month. So just to show you that this actually works, look at all these sellers on Fiverr. They have so many reviews, and that means many people are buying this service and are interested in the service itself. They actually made a lot of money this month. And these sellers are from India, Pakistan, and also from many other Asian countries, as well as African countries and all around the world. So your country is not an excuse. This will work for you no matter what. You just need to have the mindset, the time, and an internet connection. So don't make any excuses and just try yourself. And if you notice here, there are over 87,000 services available for just social media management. If you think this is a lot of competition, you can try other websites such as Freelancer, peopleperhour.com, as those have much less people offering the service. And as you can see, we can see how many sales they've made. And they've made hundreds and hundreds of sales, and they're charging a reasonable or a higher amount. But the difference between them and you is that they are doing the manual labor. But for you, you are very lucky because you found this video and because Buffer.com will get the job done for you for around $15 per month. And you're not going to buy that $15 license right away. You can use that 14-day trial to get your first customer, and then you can use the money you get to buy the pro license. So that means if the customer pays you $100, you can take $15 from that $100 and then place that order for a pro license. That way you don't have to spend any of your own money and you can start with nothing and still make a lot of revenue. So go ahead and put your services out there and reach as many people as you can. So what I highly recommend you do is get started with all the freelancing websites at once, set up your gig in all of these websites so you can reach a lot of people. And also when you sign up with only one email. That way, whenever you make a sale on a platform, you will receive an email saying that you got a new order from a customer, and it will say which platform that is. And I promise you guys that if you try this method within the first week, you will make at least one sale. And as you know guys, just one sale can really change your life because that will give you the motivation to try harder and harder to make more money. Anyway, that was it for today's video guys. I hope you learned something. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below any questions you might have, and also turn on notifications because that is very important as it really helps the channel grow. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you tomorrow with another one.